Hi friends, Mary Batson here with another story. I hope you're checking out the Ernie and Mary channel on YouTube. There's lots of stories on there, science experiments, and music too. It's a lot of fun. Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson. Pictures by Jane Chapman. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day and he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. Shh. An itty-bitty mouse pitter-pat tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. He's made a little campfire. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak a peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And Hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they drink black tea. I like popcorn for a snack sometimes. Mouse sips wee slurps, and Hare burps big burps. Excuse me. But the bear snores on. A badger scuffles by, sniffs, snuffs in the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." They nibble and they munch with a chew, chop, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" Twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. I wonder if he'll wake up. They tweet and they twitter and they chatter and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Look, they're all dancing in there, and he's still sleeping. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons stew, then a small pepper flake makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Uh-oh. I think he might be mad. "You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping and I have had none." He whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Boo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see. We can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, and he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. They're all tired out, and now they're sleeping. Have a great day, everybody. Thanks for reading another story with me. Hope to see you again soon.